Elsa. And see? And here are the colors. There is yellow and blue and white. And here is green and red. And for Sophie, look what she has.
It's a flying fairy. This is Elsa. Let's go.
See? See in the back.
That's a dancing Elsa.
You need instruction because this is not a block. We need to play it outside.
And you know what, kids? There is also a charger inside.
Yeah. And Elsa, look at her back and have her wings. She is an angel and she can turn her. And then she's done doing like that and then she will put his wings up.
And then there's lights.
Yeah, there's lights. And the colors will go on the table.
And Sophie, which one do you want to go? This or so guys, this is the Elsa.
Yeah.
And there's 3 batteries here. My mommy and daddy put. And there's wheels. Yeah, on it.
Look, guys. There's a red button. You can do it like that. And there's a round
And this is a necklace. Very cool.
and look at her.
Yeah, she's beautiful. And see, this is the heart, and if you put it on, it will spread here. So we're gonna try it now. Okay. On. So I will turn off the lights. Oh, good here. Wow, beautiful. Wow.
Amazing.
Amazing. Oh.
It's not good to me, guys.
Coming.
Yay!
So beautiful.
Let's move the table, Kuya. Don't. Don't press it.
Guys, have you seen the colors? It is so beautiful.
Yeah, guys, I'll show you the color.
So guys, look what we have now.
A balloon light.
It's a balloon with colors.
Yeah, and that
And this is the colors. White, green, red, blue, yeah,
and yellow.
and yellow. So, and guys, it's so amazing.
Yeah, guys, I'll show you the top colors. This is different colors, and there's a sign.
It says pull. It spells P-U-L-L. So it's pull. And now this is your favorite. It's unboxing time. Yay!
How do you open it?
Yeah, I wonder how.
I wonder how.
Look at this.
Yeah, look at this. The blue one. Look at this, guys. It's very squishy. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, like look at this. And look at
See, look.
and
I
look
did
at-
it.
Look, guys.
Oh, almost bursting. We're gonna learn colors.
Yeah. Why there's no light?
Sophie. So, this color is blue. And there is a light. See here? Yeah, blue is like the sky and the water.
This is green.
white. I think this is not white. Oh, it's white. I don't know which one is white. This is red. This one is like too much red. I think this is white. Oh, this is white. Come on, turn it off again. This white, this blue. Look again. Sophie now has a flying fairy. So we're gonna open it. So here's the back. Yeah. This is the one. And this is how you do it. You should put your hand over here and it will fly. It's in unboxing time! Yay!
Guys, look. She's putting her hand not out. Yay.
When open it. Ooh.
Wow.
Open the sky. Let's open the sky. Ah!
Charger.
Yeah, here's the charger I told you. See? And it's so cool.
And guys, look.
So when it's low, right?
Yeah, when it's low, but we can charge it. And we can play it next to it. Yeah. Those are the rest of the
Guys, this is like the stand up. This is perfect.
No, this is... I'm trying to fix this. Oh, I fixed it. Hooray!
Alright. I think it's fine.
Kadish!
Is it Tinkerbell?
Kadish!
A fairy. Let's try it, Sophie.
I will stand up her.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Oh, hooray! Cut.
Wait.
This is...
So this is the button, guys. A small button. This is, I think, the sensor. The sensor,
And guys,
And
and this is her fire. You'll get,
so this is for the charger.
yeah. This is her hair.
You need to put it there and you need to charge this. Okay. Right, let's try it.
Look, guys, look.
Oh,
Whoa!
there you go.
Remove it so it'll be so cool. Remove it.
Okay.
Try it out. We're going outside.
Okay. And also the end. My mommy.
You have to aim like this. Good, look.